Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I wanted to share with you today one of the programs that really has been a game changer for my life that helped me shift from maybe I might, I possibly can, I really think I can, to the space where I am, I can, I will, I must. It really has been a game changer for how I show up and how I believe in my own capabilities, how the expansiveness of possibility has been gifted to me in the belief that I can do anything. And the saying is, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. We hear it over and over again, but for many, like myself, you kind of wonder if it's true and you really hope it is. So going through the 45-day Transform You program took me from that place where I kind of believed it and I had some experiences with it and I really hoped it was real, to the space where I know it's real. And it has been incredible shift in how I talk to myself, what I believe about myself, which actually transforms into how I treat other people. This investment in myself has been one of the most beautiful gifts I could have given my loved ones, my friends, and the people that I connect with on an everyday basis. It doesn't just transform you, it transforms how you interact with the world. So everybody in your space begins to transform. The saying is, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And this is definitely will lift the blinders off. It will help you with all those things that you thought you could not change. I always think of that number one habit you wish you could have because you knew if you had it, it would be a game changer for your life. This 45 days will help you create that habit. And once that habit is established, it's yours for the rest of your life. So there's no takesy backsies after this 45 days. You go all in on this program and you will receive an exponential result from what you have invested in yourself. And that's the beautiful thing about investing in yourself. It's the gift that keeps giving. So I am sending you love, light, blessings, and prayers on your journey. And know that this is going to be an incredible gift to yourself that will keep on giving. Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Invest in yourself. You'll be so glad you did.